Kasi yung, the other one is not really.
It's a GE.
No, but the GE,
What are you laughing for?
but the GE works really good. But it's because it's 13 years.
Hi. Look at you.
Good morning, guys. Can you say good morning? Good morning. Today is Saturday at papasok ako ngayon. Ako lang mag-isa ngayon sa work and tomorrow walang pasok dahil sinuspend nila guys yung work kasi daw magkakaroon ng snowstorm dito sa amin bukas, no? And today, hatid nila ako sa work. Kasama ka ni Daddy? Kasama ka ni Daddy? Maaga mo nagising, ha? Maaga rin kasi kami natulog kagabi. So, maaga ako nagising talaga kaninang madaling araw. Tapos natulog lang ulit ako balik. Tapos nagising kasi nga papasok. Yun. And ihatid ako ni Travis pati ni Ellie ngayon. Tapos sunduin nila ako mamaya. Kasi wala naman din pasok si Travis. Pero I'm not sure kung ano talaga, kung mag-i-snow talaga. Kasi yung weather dito sa amin, pa iba-iba guys. So, may time na hindi talaga natutuloy, no? Pero gusto lang, pero ihatid lang din talaga ako nila, Travis, pati ano, para din makalabas-labas si Ellie. Di ba, Ellie? Can you say hi? Hi, guys! Hi, guys! Say hi, guys! Can you say hi? Kagigising niya lang hi! So, mag-breakfast muna kami, guys. Mag-aayos lang ako and magbibihis. So, paalis na kami and we'll see mamaya kung mag-i-snow talaga. If, you know, tama yung prediction nila. What do you think, babe? They're gonna snow later?
We'll get a little bit.
Mamaya. Kasi mag-start daw ng, tawag nito, ng alas 12. So, nasa work ako noon. Tapos, mamayang hapon pa uwi ko. And susunduin nila ako mamaya. Kasi alis din sila, Travis. Punta sila dun sa base. Kaya, i-drop niya na lang din ako. Tapos, sunduin niya ako mamaya. Kasi nasira yung microwave namin, guys. Magtingin daw siya sa base ng microwave. Or sa Walmart. Pag wala daw sa base, sa Walmart. Ganon. Kasi ang tagal na rin pala nito microwave namin. 2013 na. Ito siya. O, pakita ko sa inyo. GE. Pero in fairness, ang tagal talaga ng GE gumana, di ba? Kasi yan talaga isa sa mga magagandang brand ng mga appliances. Kahit sa atin sa Pinas, di ba, pag sinabing GE, matitibay. Siguro nga, yun talaga, may hangganan lang yung pag-ano niya. Kasi nung nag-iinit kami kanina, ayaw talaga niya mag-init, guys. Sira na talaga. It's broken na talaga. So we have to replace a new one. Kasi nung pagdating namin dito, tawag nito, nandito na yan, yung, etong microwave. So, tapos tinignan ni Travis, 2013 pa daw pala tong microwave na to. So, matagal na ang tagal na din namin nagamit. How many years are we living here in this house? What do you think? 2 years. Oh, so, 2013, tapos 2 years na kami dito nakatira.
It's been here for a while.
Yes. Oh my gosh, look, I have poop bags here. Kasi minsan ginagamit ko tong coat. Grabe guys, ang lamig ngayon guys. Sobrang lamig. Ay, passenger princess pala tayo today. Aww, passenger princess. So, papunta na kami guys ng work ko.
A few moments later.
Kumakain kami sa my car. And, nandito na ako sa work. Kumakain lang kami saglit. Tapos, maaga ako nakarating. Tapos, kumakain din si Travis.
Good.
Hey, hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Tapos, susunduin nila ako later. After nito, punta siya ng next para magtingin ng microwave. Dito nga pala si Ellie sa likod. So, we'll see guys kung mag-i-snow. Kasi tingnan nyo, umaaraw oh. It's sunny. We'll see. You know, kasi yung dito, yung weather dito sa amin, very talaga. Parang sala sa init, sala sa lamig, no? Pero yung yung tawag nito yung mga water, nagiging ice na. Kaya feeling namin din baka mag-snow mamaya. Pero we'll see. I'll update you guys after ng work ko. Hi guys, so sinundo ako ni Mister. And look guys, there's no snow.
Because Virginia can't forecast anything.
What did you say?
I said the Virginia meteorologist.
What did they say? We're gonna get
5 to 10 inches.
Where's the 5 to 10 inches?
Yeah. Like,
Where's
like,
the 5 to 10 inches?
like they're like, oh, it's gonna be pretty nasty on Saturday.
Yeah.
Where?
I know, right?
Where?
Maybe tonight.
I
But they
don't
said
know.
this noon, right?
They said it should have started, yeah, between noon and 1.
Yeah.
And it's 4.
But look, the roads are dry.
Yeah,
But
there's-
we'll see later.
I'm sure
Diba?
it might later, but
Maybe later tonight.
they're just so bad at forecasting. They shouldn't even have a job.
Galit na galit yan.
I need to be a meteorologist so I can just be like, yeah, it's gonna rain. Maybe not.
Maybe not.
Probably not, but it might. Like, okay. What a forecast.
So we'll see later, guys. So pauwi na kami and mag-ano kami, kakain sa bahay. We'll see if bili kami sa labas, guys, ng pagkain. Hi guys, nandito kami sa Chipotle. Bibili kami ng pagkain. Tignan nyo guys, may Max dito. Aray ko. Nakakain na kami dyan one time. Let's go. Bili tayo guys ng malalamon. Charot! Malalamon. Thank you. Hi, Eliana. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. Ah, look at my baby. Look at you. Balot na balot. Okay, guys. Let's try. Kung sino yung anahin ni Ellie. Put her there in the middle. Dali. Tinaas namin yung kama. Uy! Dali. Let's see kung kanino siya pupunta. Ellie, come here. Come here. Daddy niya. Come here. Come here. Come here, Ellie. Ellie, come here. Come to mommy. Ellie. Eliana. Dad, mommy. Ellie, mommy.
Yeah, come to me.
Ma-
Yeah, come to
Ma-
Daddy. Oh, yeah.
Daddy talaga. Okay, one more time. One more time. You're just confused. You're just confused. Come on, Ellie. Eliana. Ellie. Eliana.
She's playing.
Ellie. Come here.
She sees
Laro na.
these.
Okay, come on. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here, Ellie. Come. Eliana, come here. Come here.
To Dada.
Come here. Come to mommy. Eliana. Ellie, come here. Come on.
She's like, oh. She's like,
Oh. Come here. Come see mommy. Dali, put it down again. The bed. Or is that all the way up? Or no? Look at her. Wala. Ano yun? What happened? What happened to the bed? What happened to the bed? Oh no. It's
holy
full.
cow, we could bend this bed right in half.
Oh my god. Careful. Is it daddy? A fan.
What is that? Is that like a spider?
No, that's my eyelashes. Eyelashes ko, yung kinabit-kabit ko, natanggal. Nandito to.
Ellie. Ellie.
Ay!
Ellie, you ready?
Nabahan ako.
Watch this. I'm gonna. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wow, look what happened to the bed now.
She's like, what is that device? Nah.
Where's daddy? Where's daddy? Where's your daddy? Where's your daddy?
Careful, she jumps.
Okay, come on. Let's watch na. Babe. We're not gonna put her to bed yet.
No. Come on. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. She wants to play.
She wants to play. Yeah. You wanna play? Yeah. The A says. The A says. Ah. Ah. What does the dog say? What does the dog say?
How does it say?
Ow,
I have to watch it.
What does the dog say? Oh. Okay.
Okay, guys. Jessa is going to try the microwave
Our new microwave.
for the first time.
For the first time. Oh, look at this. Looking nice.
Nice. It's a Toshiba.
Toshiba. Ooh. Toshiba. Kainin natin si Ellie, guys. Tignan natin kung mainit. Kasi yung the other one is not really heating up.
It's a GE.
No, but the G,
What are you laughing for?
but the G works really good. But it's because it's 13 years. You
Yeah.
know, they bought it 13. Hala, mainit na to. You keep talking to me now.
Wow, now it's probably on fire. It's really hot, probably.
Ooh. Yeah, it's really hot.
Okay. Until next time, folks.
Okay guys, nag-snow na nga. Lamig. O, diba? Ngayon pa siya nag-snow. Gantong oras. Lamig. O, diba? Sabi kasi nila, magkakaroon na kami ng mga 5 inches ngayong araw. Kaya ang liwanag, oh. Grabe. Diba? Feeling ko naman, hindi naman sobrang ano. Pero we'll see tomorrow, no? Good morning, guys. So, ito na yung itsura pagising namin, no? Medyo marami din. Hindi siya totally bonggang dami. Di tulad last year, bago ako manganak. Na makapal talaga yung snow. Pero ngayon, feeling ko siguro mga ano lang to. 2 to 3 inches, ganyan. Sabi nila kasi mga 5 inches daw. Pero, malapit na din. 'Di ba? Ilabas natin si Kinsley. You wanna take Kinsley outside? Okay guys, lalabas tayo. Nilagyan ko muna ng coat si Ellie. Grabe ang lamig guys. Kinsley! Nakain na naman ni Kinsley yung yellow. Oh, is it Kinsley? Kinsley! The Kinsley. Dito kami sa labas. Kinsley, now! Siguro mamaya matutunaw na yung iba dito, guys. Kasi kung ang weather mamaya is maaraw, tunaw to mamaya. O, tignan mo. Ganyan ginagawa ni Kinsley, oh. Kakainin yung yellow. I know. To Kinsley. Si Ellie, guys. Hi! Hi! Look at you! Pasok na tayo. Malamig na. Saglit lang, inano lang namin siya, oh. Ito po si Kinji. Si Kinji gusto niya talaga dito kasi malamig. And they're asking, is Kinji get cold too? No. Does she get cold? No. Especially this kind of weather, guys. They prefer snow, cold weather than summer. Tignan mo naman, oh. Kahit magstayan siya dito ng ano, pero pinapapasok lang namin siya kasi basa yung ano niya, yung paws niya, tas yung katawan niya, tas nasa loob kasi pagpapasok siya sa loob, mababasa, diba? Hi! Eliana! Let's go inside na, be. Ka na. Let's go. So, yun lang guys ang vlog natin for today. Naglalaro kami ni Ellie sa playpen. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye! Bye! Bye guys!